Alrighty, good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. Breezy, beautiful morning. Look at this Conservator. What does it look like? A GE. It's just a GE. But yeah, so it was making noise. Not really much debris right there, but we got a bad gear case. I can show ya. Let's see. Here we go. See the grease and the water coming down? Yeah, it was making some racket. And so it needs a gear case. So let's change it real quick. It's been a while since I've done one of these GEs. I'll probably just stumble through it, so bear with me. All right, so you just have a couple of long 1/4 inches on each side to get the console up, and then there's 2 more 1/4 inches under it. So to get the top up, you have to get those 4 out. And I like to secure the console back down with 1 screw just to make sure it doesn't fall. So then just a little small flathead, or in this case a broke putty knife, and you pop the top. Alrighty, roll the top back. There is no hinges, so don't drop it. Then you pop the top hub cap. It's very easy on these, not like the Whirlpools that hurt my little fingers. Then you'll pop the cap, and there's 1 7/16 bolt holding the agitator down. This one is not the dual action agitator that fights and you usually have to break off. This one's easy. It's just a single solid piece. Alrighty, now for the fun part. Righty loosey, lefty tighty. It's a 33 millimeter. I ain't got one. Remember, reverse, righty loosey. Alrighty, so all I have is a crescent wrench. You'll see in a minute why I don't have a 33 millimeter deep well yet, because I'll beat on it. Sometimes they come off. Sometimes I'll take my chisel and just knock it off, cut it right in half, and it comes right off. The new gear case comes with a new nut. And don't forget, it's reverse threaded. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Wait, no, I got that wrong. Does that look familiar? Conservator GE. Conservator GE. But yeah, we just took the 1/4 inches out. Judy chopped our headboard, got the headboard up, took the 2 quarters that were going down out. Then we put the headboard back on so it doesn't fall. And now we're trying to get the 33 millimeter. Pa, 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 pa. Oh, if I'd have had the 33 millimeter impact, done. But I'm struggling. All right, so I guess LA's done playing with his nut. He's got the chisel out. Couple flaps from the chisel, and it cuts it, and it comes right off. Nothing to it. It's a very soft metal. It's very light. It must be like zinc or aluminum or something like that. Well, that one came right out. So, good thing it comes with a new nut. So, 33 millimeter not necessarily needed. I think what the problem is look at all the play in that center shaft. It's rubbing the like splutch puck here. This goes up to wash, and when it's in wash, it's rubbing. Brrr, brrr, because too much play in that shaft. So that's where our noise was coming from. I wish I got a video of it, but I didn't. So we need to take our motor, our mode shift, this little slider off, and this off, this little bracket. And then there's all these, I think they're 3/8 or 10 mil. It might be 10. Nope, they're 3/8. Okay. Oh yeah, there's your technical data sheet if you wanted to test your crap. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the plug over here for the motor, and then there's a plug over here for the speed sensor. Okay, 1/2 inch. The speed sensor has a red retaining clip. You slide it back, then unplug it. All right. Phone break. Don't you love it when people like, I got a refrigerator, it's not cooling. Okay, that's not good. Tell me what you want. Unplug your pump, unplug your mode shift, take the harness loose. Boop, 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 boop. All right, now all the long 3/8. Zip, 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 zip. There's like 8 or 10 of them. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You guys rock. Ba-boom. There she is. Man, look at that sealing surface right there. We might have to wipe that out. Got some doo-doo right there. Jeez. But yeah. Play in the shaft. Causing it to rub. Brr, brr, brr. It's a loud grind. But that's her. Look at that little baby in there. It's like a little plastic case. Oh, that's cute. GE's pretty nice to us. They give us all the hardware, even a nut for the agitator, and some retainers for the harness. Pretty cool. I like to take my washer off the old one and use it. I think they send you one, but it is thinner. I like this one. It's thicker. Thicker the better. All right. Wipe this trash out. There's a little indexing tab right there. All right, now we mount the new gear case with the 8 or 10 3/8 screws. I like to go in kind of a crisscross pattern like you would put a tire on a vehicle, just to kind of suck it up in there like flat, you know, like in one piece. You don't want one side like going up and then the other side going up. I don't know, it's just kind of what you do, you know. Motor. Oh yeah. Yeah, I need all the goodies. Freaking gear case. There we go. All right. That is half. Okay. Back to 3/8. See. Harness. Yeah. Speed sensor, clipper, motor. Thank you, GE, for sending us new hardware and nuts, and thank you for sending the wire retainers, because you really want to make sure you try and zip tie these up to the gear case, because the last thing you want is for that wire to droop down, catch the belt or pulley, and then snatch it all off. It happens very often where the belt gets frayed and it reaches up and grabs these wires, so make sure to secure it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Trash. Okay. Whoa. Man, if you made it this far in the video, I'm proud of you. Thank you. Just the final steps of putting the cover back on. Gotta ground it. Yeah, gotta ground it. Alrighty, this tub was very clean. I just go ahead and drop it down in there and then wipe out some of the PB blaster I put on that nut. That we busted out of there. But when you put the new nut back on, just remember, lefty tighty, it is reverse threaded, and I just have a crescent wrench. I don't have the 33 millimeter. I just hit it, flap, 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 until it's, you know, tight as it could be, till it doesn't move anymore. I don't know if there's a foot-pound you're supposed to put it to, but I just bang it on in there. Then we'll snap the cap back on, and then put the agitator back on. This is where it gets a little tricky. The bolt that holds it down is small. Oh. Be careful tightening it down. Don't cross thread it. It will break. Last cap. So now we take the console back up and we'll Judy chop it again, and then we'll put our two fine threaded quarters going down into the top, and then put the console back on with its two coarse thread quarters. Yay! Make sure that pressure tube don't come off. Won't need that headache. Last two. 1, 2. Alrighty, let's make sure there's no codes in it. So we need to hold start, turn it from 12 to 6, and release. Click flash mode. One turn to spin is codes. All of them flashing means there's no codes. We can clear them if there was by going to 16. So we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Clear. All right, I like to unplug it, then plug it back in. That way we are starting fresh. So there we go. We'll just put it on large and normal. Boop. Yeah, they always do their skeet skeet. We'll let it go. Make sure it'll be fine. Make sure it doesn't make any rant noises. Cleaning pretty good. Locked and spinning. Alrighty, she finished up good. Man, they spin fast in a long time. These GEs do. Make sure we ain't got any codes left. Let's see. Turn it to 12, hold start, turn it from 12 to 6, and release. You'll hear the click, and then it'll flash. There's flash mode. Turn it once to spin, and that means no codes. We are good. Finished. Finished. Wow, that'll wake you up better than coffee. Quick gear case change on a Conservator. GE. Conservator. GE. Same thing. Well, wasn't that something? We made it to the end of the video, and you know what that means is keyword time. And today, well, you put the keyword down in the comments to let everybody know you made it to the end of the video. Sorry, that was a longer one. Kind of tough to shoot all that. But today, it's thank you, GE. And thank you to the subscribers and everybody liking and subscribing. Thank you too. But yeah, GE knew what they were doing when they sent an extra nut. So yeah, thanks to you and thanks to GE. Friggin' thanks. Because I don't have a 33mm deep well socket. They're only about 18 or 20 bucks. I just haven't got one. I give them a couple flaps with the crescent wrench and hammer. If they don't come off, chisel time. It's very cheap. I think it might be like aluminum or something. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. You rock. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Later. Thank you for the friggin' nut, GE. And thank you, subscribers. Y'all rock. See you later.